Welcome. If you're looking for a way to hide your current experience on the Roblox app for PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you want a little more privacy or just don't want others to see what you're up to, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make your activity invisible to everyone. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner of the app window. You'll see the More icon. It usually looks like 3 dots or lines. Click on that to open up the menu. From here, scroll down and find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust all sorts of preferences for your Roblox account. Next, look for the section labeled Privacy and Content Restrictions. This is where Roblox lets you control who can see your information and what you're doing on the platform. Click into this section to continue. Within Privacy and Content Restrictions, you'll see a few different options. What you want to find is Visibility and Private Servers. Click on Visibility and Private Servers, and then you'll see an option simply labeled Visibility. Click on Visibility to manage who can see your current experience. Now, you'll see a list of choices for who can view your activity. To make sure no one can see what you're playing or doing, select No One. This will hide your current experience from everyone on Roblox, giving you complete privacy while you play. And that's it. You've just updated your settings so your current experience is hidden from others on Roblox. This feature is perfect if you want to explore new games, try out private servers, or just play in peace without being watched. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on customizing your Roblox experience and keeping your gaming private. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Roblox.